you sure it's rolling?
The workshop conducted by Subhash sir for the past 3 days have been one of my best experiences, like the best 3 days I've spent at LLA.
Before this workshop, I used to click pictures just for clicking it because we had to submit assignments.
Our thoughts were not reflecting into the image.
But with his classes, I think I've expanded my thinking capabilities.
Now I have a 5-step process to and things to think about in terms of the frame and the composition, as well as we learned a lot about what the audience would interpret from your image.
I learned how to create a story with a picture. Before I used to take just pictures of what I liked.
I have to think more than shooting. I have to plan everything beforehand and shoot it properly so my images has some story or some meaning.
I think this workshop really broadened my horizons.
For me, it was a cloudburst of creativity.
Paradigm shifting.
Mind blowing.
Okay, these 3 days have actually helped me give meaning to my photographs.
Now I know how to brainstorm a lot of ideas under pressure now.
All good things have layers to it, even if it's people or a movie or just a slice of cake. So this workshop showed us how to layer our photographs with concepts and metaphors and everything. So that way this was really nice.
And the assignment part was fun. Actually, it was basically a lesson for us, like how should we get a picture into the frame and building a story out of it. So yeah, that was it, and had a great experience.
The way actually Sir put it, the way he conducted the class, the way he made sure that all of us understood the assignment very patiently was something that we really appreciated.